As of May 17, 2025, South Sudan is experiencing heightened political tensions, humanitarian challenges, and regional developments. Here's an overview. Political instability and conflict. The arrest of Vice President Riek Machar on March 26, 2025, has intensified concerns about the collapse of the 2018 peace agreement that ended the previous civil war. His party, the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in opposition SPLMIO, asserts that his detention effectively nullifies the peace deal. The United Nations has warned that the country is on the brink of renewed civil war, citing escalating violence and a stalled peace process. In April, the South Sudanese military recaptured the town of Nasser from the White Army Militia, a group allegedly linked to Machar. Although his party denies any association, this operation was part of efforts to quell the rising insurgency and restore government control in Upper Nile State. Humanitarian crisis and health concerns. The ongoing conflict has severely impacted the humanitarian situation. A recent bombing of a hospital in Nasser resulted in at least 7 deaths, exacerbating the already dire health crisis in the region. Additionally, a cholera outbreak has claimed 8 lives, with funding cuts forcing residents to travel longer distances to access medical care. Médecins Sans Frontières (MSF) has warned of a spiraling health crisis amid the violence, highlighting the urgent need for increased humanitarian assistance. Regional developments. In a move to bolster regional connectivity, Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni launched a regional road project linking Uganda, South Sudan, and the Central African Republic. This infrastructure initiative aims to enhance trade and economic integration among the neighboring countries.